friends, today we have the 3D pen. Before starting this video and draw something, you need to like and subscribe and share this video. Let's open it. We'll open the 3D pen. And this is inside the 3D pen. Everything here.
So you have one pen, you have some coloring, and then you also have one charging cable.
Yeah, and now we will open all of these and let's see how it works. Guys, now we have the 3D pen and the cable charging and the colors, but it seems to like we need to charge the pen and then we'll show you how to draw with these colors. Now we have fixed the 3D pen and we inserted the color, 3D color. Now let's draw something. I'll draw a star. And it's from the pen. It's my turn. Now let's try something. She draw the beautiful heart.
Yeah, nice. Can you take out the 3D circle you have made?
This one, you can take off it, I think.
No, the other one.
This one.
Yes, show it how it look like. Wow.
You can draw whatever you want, and after 5-10 minutes, you can peel it off, and then it will show your shape who you did. I colored it and make a smiley face of the butterfly. We have drawn few objects, but the butterfly will be a little better soon. But we draw this flower. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye.